is STEM really? Well, this gives you a full definition of STEM and what it is. But basically, STEM is a hands-on approach to learning. And it is project-based, and it is having your child solve some kind of problem. But the cool thing about STEM learning is they use their own natural creativity and their natural curiosity to work through these hands-on problems.
The important part is that when families and schools work together, it's for the success of the student. We all have that same goal in mind, and so the more that we can get the parents here, it's really going to be better for all of our students.
Our theme is the Gingerbread Man. So you have a kid on your table that we're going to work with.
Alright, so we were very excited to have such a good turnout for our family involvement night, our family engagement night here at Sebastian Elementary. We really like to give our families a taste of what the children are learning during the school day. A lot of times the parents have had a different experience in school. They did not learn in the same ways that we learn with technology and hands-on learning.